Hi everyone, in this tutorial you will learn why Claude AI shows the usage limit reached error and how you can reduce the chances of hitting that limit. If you see the usage limit reached message in Claude AI, it usually appears when you are in the middle of an important task such as writing code or researching a topic. This is not a random error. Claude uses a conversation budget that measures how much work the AI performs each time you send a message. One of the easiest ways to reduce usage is to start a completely new conversation. Every time you send a message in the same chat, Claude has to read the entire conversation again to understand the context. The longer the conversation becomes, the more processing power it requires. If your current conversation contains many messages or file attachments, copy your most recent important point, create a new chat, and paste it there. This gives Claude a fresh conversation with no previous history, which lowers the processing cost of your next request. You can also make your remaining usage last longer by writing shorter prompts and requesting smaller pieces of information. Instead of asking Claude to generate a long report in a single request, ask for one section or one paragraph at a time. For simple tasks, consider using Claude Haiku instead of the larger Claude models. Claude Haiku is a lighter and faster model that can answer basic questions while using less of your available usage allowance. It is important to understand that the limit is not based only on the number of messages you send. Claude calculates usage using the total number of tokens. This includes the length of your prompts, the size of any uploaded files, and the amount of conversation history that Claude must process. For free users, the usage limit generally resets every 5 hours. If you upgrade to Claude Pro, the reset window is still about 5 hours, but your total usage allowance is approximately 5 times higher than the free plan. You can monitor your usage through your Anthropic dashboard to better understand how much of your available allowance has been used. Managing your conversations carefully can help you avoid reaching the limit too quickly. Another useful feature is projects. Using projects helps organize your work more efficiently, so Claude does not need to repeatedly process unrelated conversation history. If you use the Claude API, add retry logic with exponential backoff, or include small delays between requests. This helps reduce the chances of hitting burst rate limits when sending multiple requests in a short period. You should now have a better understanding of why Claude AI shows the usage limit reached message and how to reduce the chances of seeing it. If this tutorial helped you, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment below.